Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to find the world seed in Minecraft Bedrock on any device, any platform. To do this, click the play button. Click on Realms, select your world, then click Settings. Here, select your world, click Edit, scroll all the way down and you'll see a download button. Right? There. But now, here's what you do. First, you need to replace it. See, there's the download button. Click the download button. After it downloads, click Let's Go. And now the world appears here. Here's the copy. Now, if you don't see the download button, try rejoining the world, renaming it, or click Replace World if you don't need this world anymore. Well, better not click Replace World if you want to keep the specific seed. Right. Next, click the Edit button, and here, click the Advanced button, and there's your seed. This has been, thanks for watching. See you all later.